guys, I'm Disha Tiwari from Aglasen and I hope that your exams are going well. To ensure that even your next exam goes well, today I'm here to give you some preparation steps about the chemistry exam. Whenever we talk about preparation and that of our chemistry subject, the question which immediately occupies our mind is that how to complete our syllabus in 2 days, how to complete in 5 days, or how to study the organic chemistry. In short, we want to get more output in short interval of time. We know that the syllabus of the chemistry is huge, so rather than working hard, we have to work smart. Here, to make our task easier, I am dividing our subject into 3 parts, that is physical chemistry, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Now let us see the tips which we can use in preparation of our chemistry exam. For physical chemistry, if you want to score well in physical chemistry, first of all you have to be good in your calculation and formula application part. For that reason, prepare a chart of the important formulae and practice numerical on it. Even you have to concentrate on the theory part of it. Some of the important chapters which you can cover is electrochemistry, chemical kinetics and solutions. Now, moving to the inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry requires a lot of learning. So, you can prepare a short note of various processes, reactions and preparations. Usually the questions would be asked directly from the book. So you can concentrate on the book and you can score more marks in the inorganic chemistry. Now, moving to the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is very interesting provided you understand all the basic concepts of it. So, to understand the basic concepts of it, you have to study your chemistry NCERT 12th book exam. From there, you can study important reactions like haloalkenes and haloarenes, and you have to also practice some of the distinguishing tests like phenol carboxylic acid, aldehyde and ketones, and some of the reactions of the primary, secondary and tertiary amines and alcohols. Some of the important reactions which you also can practice is from the Riemann-Thieme, aldol and Kolbe. Now, before proceeding further, we have to understand actually what is the question paper pattern and what form of questions are asked in it. So, in our CBSE class 12th examination, there are overall 5 types of forms of questions. The first one is very short answers. These questions carry 1 marks and total 5 questions will be asked from it. So, it total constitutes 5 marks of the question paper. Moving on to the second form of question is the short answers, which carries 2 marks, and from here 5 questions will be asked. So, it constitutes 10 marks of the question paper. The third one is the short answer type 3, and this carries 3 marks. Here 12 questions will be asked from it, so it totally comprises of 36 marks of the question paper. The fourth one is the value based, which carries 4 marks and 1 question would be asked from it, which total comprises 4 marks. The fifth one is a long answer type, and it carries the marks of 5 and it constitutes 3 questions, which totally forms the 15 marks of the question paper. So from here you can come to a conclusion that overall 26 questions would be asked and it constitutes the 70 marks of the question paper. Before starting our preparation, we must know what all chapters are included in our syllabus and how much marks are allotted for it. As earlier itself, we have divided our subject into 3 parts, that is physical, organic and inorganic. Here also you can see that the physical chemistry includes the chapters which are solid state, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, which includes 23 marks of the question paper. The inorganic chemistry includes the isolation of elements, P block elements, D and F block elements, coordination compounds, which includes 19 marks of the question paper. Now coming to the very important portion, that is the organic chemistry. It includes the chapters haloalkenes and haloarenes, alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, organic compounds containing nitrogen, biomolecules, polymers and chemistry in everyday life. It constitutes 28 marks of the question paper. Now let us see what is the examination pattern. The total marks allotted for the chemistry subject is 70 and the total duration of the exam is 3 hours. Here in the chemistry question paper there are 5 topology of questions. is the remembering knowledge base, which includes the 10% of the question paper. The second one is the understanding level, which includes the 30% of the question paper. And application part 2 includes 30% of the question paper, whereas higher order thinking skills include 14% of the question paper, and evaluation part includes 16% of the question paper. Now, starting our preparation, we must consider that the last 3 chapters of our chemistry book includes the biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life, which constitutes the 10 marks of the total question paper. So you need to pay attention to it also. Practice conceptual based questions. You can refer some of the books like Exam Idea Chemistry, Oswald CBSE, Question Bank Chemistry. And in order to understand the concepts of the chemistry, you have to stick to the CBSE NCERT books, and those who are willing to clear various competitive examinations, even for them, the CBSE books, that is NCERT book of class 12, works as a Bible. Concentrate more on organic part because it constitutes the 40% of the question paper, that is, it includes 28 marks out of 70. And revise the latest CBSE sample papers and the previous year question papers so that you can get a clear-cut idea of the overall question paper, as well as it will help you to reduce your examination fear. In order to practice CBSE sample papers, you can go to our aglasem.com site. There, search the CBSE sample papers, and from there you can go to the CBSE sample papers for class 12 board exam. You can see several links over there. Select your subject. Here we are discussing about chemistry, so select the subject as chemistry. Get CBSE samples from there and practice it. It is available free of cost. To score good marks in examination, there are few points which you must keep in your mind. First of all, as soon as you get the question paper, read the questions carefully. While writing the answer, please follow the order of the question paper. Please tick mark the questions in the question paper with pencil which you have already attempted in your answer sheet so that you won't miss out any of the questions. Don't write lengthy answers for 1 or 2 marks questions because it will consume your time and you will end up with the shortage of time. For organic chemistry definitions and concept-based questions, please give an example and respective reaction quickly so that it will form a good impression on the examiner. Use only blue and black pens in exam and don't use any other color pens. Now, the examination has come. You have to follow some of the examination day tips. Eat healthy and take ample rest. At least take sleep for 7 to 8 hours during your exam time. Ready all your examination materials a night prior to exam. Ensure that you carry all the important things like admit card, pen, pencil, eraser along with you. Reach the examination center earlier. Settle down in your seat and keep everything properly in your place. Stay calm and composed there. Be mentally alert and read the questions carefully because even a silly mistake can be quite damaging. Glance at the paper for 5 minutes and plan your strategy to attempt the paper. Don't stuck to any one question. If you find it difficult, please proceed to the next question because it is time consuming and again you will end up with the shortage of time. Keep an eye on watch. Last 15 minutes must be given for the revision. Don't panic in the examination hall. Have faith on your preparation. For important questions, check out the link given in the description box. And if you like our video, give us a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Learn more and better with aglasem.com.
All the best for exam.